Welcome to the Educator Academy. So guys, in this video we will see a question related to the pointer and we make array using pointer. So guys, the question here is write a C++ program that takes the size of array and fill the array using user input. After initializing that array, print that array using index of array and then print that array using pointer. So guys, we will divide this question in three parts. First we take the user form input and then we initialize array using print array using indexes of array and then print array using pointers. So guys, first we make the size of a date array. So first we make the size of that array, so it will take in the size and see out enter the size of that array. So this is taking the size of that array and see in this will input the size and then this is taking size from user. Now we will declare array having size. So we are declaring array having size. Now we have to make the for loop to take the element or that size array element array. So we are initializing from I and this is initializing from 0 and then go from less than size and then it will increment the I element of that array. So first we are taking the C in from output of the data array, so array is equal to I. So this is taking the element of array, and so now we have to solve the another part of the question. The another part is initialize that print array using indexes of the array. So for this we have to make another loop to take the output. So we have made another loop, let it be the j element, and j element is going unless it goes to the side of that array and let j increment, and this will be the output. So this will see out that array and this will show the indexes. This is taking from the indexes of that array. So this is this see out array using indexes. So this is taking the element of array using indexes of that array. So now we have to make another loop. So now we have to make another loop to take the element using pointer. So first we have to make a pointer of that array. Let pointer will be the g storing the address of array. So this is make the pointer of that array. So see out this pointer, and increment that pointer so that we will get the sequences of element of that array. So this is the whole program, so according to the question. So now let's run the question. So this is this is g. So and this is run program. Let enter the size of array. This is 3 size for the 3 element of that array. So let 23, 45, 67 are the array element, and array using indexes is 23, 45 and 64, and the element using pointer are 23, 45 and 67. These are the element using pointers. So these are the element of that array using indexes. So hope so you have learned about pointers and array. So guys, if you like my video then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.